Je suis le tien, baby. Quand je croise ton regard, c'est tout mon corps qui frémit. Un amour si mûr qu'on en récolte les fruits. La Saint-Valentin, c'est tous les jours qu'on la vit. Cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la. Ma baby chérie, dis-moi que tu m'aimes. Notre amour est sincère, fleuri dans nos cœurs. C'est que du bonheur lorsqu'on est amoureux. Cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la. Ma baby chérie, dis-moi que tu m'aimes.
Hello. All right, here we are again. Now we are learning Love You Cha. So here comes a breakdown for you. We're going to do a walk step. So it's walk and walk, shuffle forward, which we call a cha-cha, shuffle with the right? So that's walk, walk, cha-cha forward, left foot goes forward for a rock, recover, shuffle back. You're going to do rock with the right, recover body weight, cha-cha cross, the right crosses in front of left, same rock, recover, cha-cha, left foot crosses on right. You're going to do a grapevine to your right and a complete 360, 4 steps to the left. Let's break it down up to there. Once again, walk, walk, shuffle, shuffle, rock, back, shuffle, shuffle, rock to the side, cross, shuffle, shuffle, rock to the left, shuffle, shuffle, and grapevine to the right, and turn for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Are we good? I'm sure we are. So here comes your next step. After you do that grapevine back, and you can also do just a basic step, of course. You're going to touch the toe for a bump with the right and then with the left. So bump, bump, that left foot goes back down, and you're going to do a hip roll halfway turn. So you're going to turn, quarter turn, and then again, another quarter turn. So your hip roll, what it's doing again is getting your hip from the left to the right while you keep kind of turning and pivoting with your toes. They keep swiveling, right? Touch and turn, touch and turn. Be careful, only half turn. So 2 little ones, touch to the left and touch to the left. When we are back here, we start the dance all over again. Yeah, two rolls only. So let's try it again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, walk. Walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Rock to the front, back, cha, cha, cha. Rock right and cross, cha, cha, cha. Rock left and cross, cha, cha, bind. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn 1, 2, 3 and touch. Forward hop, forward bump, touch and turn, and walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Rock and back, cha-cha, rock to the right and cross, cha-cha-cha, to the left and cross, cha-cha, vine, 1, 2, 3 and spin, 1, 2, 3 and touch, and forward, and you spin to the left and turn to the left. So there it is. So 3 little things you want to be careful. When you're doing your grapevine or your spin to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, you finish with your right foot there. That same right foot is going to go forward for that bump. Okay, so here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and touch, and turn, and turn. All right, awesome. So let's do it now with a count. In 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and vine, 1, 2, 3, and spin, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 to the front, and 3 and 4, and turn for 6, and 7, and 8, and that leg is ready to start walking again. All right, 2 more things to say. There is a little thing from the choreographer. So when you do your grapevine to the right, they want you to do a little shimmy. So this little shimmy is like an up and down with the shoulders. You want to do a lot of oscillation. So you can use your hands to push, but not too much, just a little teeny bit of shoulders, right? So when we do our rock, cross, 1, 2, 3, rock, cross, here's your vine for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's what you want to get at. Have fun. All right, and the last thing you need to know is there is 2 restarts. We love those. When you're doing your first restart, you're going to be on this wall. And when you're on this wall, you're going to do it after you did your cross. So your touch, cross, cha-cha, and your touch, cross, cha-cha. So before you go into the grapevine, you start all over again. Walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. So that is on this wall. So one of the restarts is facing 6 o'clock, or is this way. So which means that after you are done in this way, you're going to do a grapevine, and you're going to do a grapevine. So instead of doing now your toes, you're going to start all over again with a dance. So it's called a restart when you're on at 6 o'clock. Then when you are dancing with me or in the group, you'll notice, you'll get used to it. Have fun.